When life feels overwhelming, I find so much comfort in these small, contained projects that can be done in just one sitting, that allow me to be present and fully focused on the process. Wet on Wet watercolor is the perfect medium for that. Hi, my name is Cornelia and I'm a full-time mixed media artist from Austria. And in this class we are going to create minimal watercolor landscapes. Simple, beautiful, and with no waiting for layers to dry. We'll cover all the materials and techniques you need, wet on wet, brushwork and composition, but the real focus is on iteration over perfection. So we'll create lots of small playful pieces, because that's where the joy is and where your intuition and skills grow the fastest. I'm so excited to share this with you, so grab a stack of papers, find a quiet moment for yourself and let's make some paintings.